Turkey targeting older people? What is that about?
I just can't wrap my head around the fact that someone dressed up like that to catch a turkey.
Hashtag 2020.
I guess so. Never ends.
Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't ever end. Hey, let's go turn to the weather right now, Star. We are seeing some very fall-like temperatures and conditions today. Classic sweater weather.
It really is. Yeah, do not leave the house without a sweater. You will definitely regret it if you do. A little bit chilly to start off our Monday morning. We are at 45 degrees right now in Indianapolis. Humidity is high, but the dew points are just in the 40s right now. 43 in Kokomo, 45 for Anderson. Shelbyville, you're waking up to 47. Plainfield, you've got 44 right now and 45 degrees in Spencer. Now we do still have a little bit of a breeze, but what little wind we do have is still out of the north. So between that and all the cloud cover we're going to have today, high temperatures are really going to struggle. Now we do have a little bit of haze, just a touch of fog right now in our southern counties, but nothing expected to get dense enough to really cause us any issues on the roads. Now we do have a lot of activity to our west. Some 2 to 4 inches of snow fell across parts of Iowa over the weekend, and then in parts of Utah and also New Mexico, they had some 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Now we're not going to be quite that active, but we are tracking some rain a little bit later on. Not going to be dealing with anything significant for your morning drive in though, so that is some good news. It's just chilly. Now, as for the clouds, those are going to continue to increase here over the next couple of hours. We will get some rain later on, but most of us should stay under a half an inch for those rainfall totals. That being said, a lot more rain on the way. These numbers getting between 1 to 2 inches for Thursday. And that's because a tropical system is actually going to head this way. Again, a very active hurricane season so far, and hurricane season actually goes until the end of November. Now we're watching what is Tropical Storm Zeta well into the Greek alphabet here, and that tropical storm should strengthen to hurricane status as it heads toward the Yucatan Peninsula today. Then that holds that Category 1 status as it makes its way through the Gulf, should make landfall in the East Louisiana or Mississippi coastline once we get toward the second half of the week. Could even push some rain our direction as we get toward Thursday. And as I showed you, those rainfall totals look hefty. Future view does keep us pretty quiet for most of today. Isolated sprinkle expected during the daytime hours, but really not going to need the umbrella until about 5, 6 o'clock. So the evening rush hour could be difficult. Some moderate to heavy rain at times. Really should see the highest numbers popping up south of the city, and then some scattered rain as we get past sunset. Today's high temperature should only hit 53 degrees, and we should be close to 10 degrees warmer than that this time of the year, so definitely needing a sweater. And then tonight it actually gets colder. Now we will drop back into the 30s, so I think that tomorrow morning could be a little bit frosty. And by the afternoon, we are just not improving. Tuesday afternoon's high is going to be 50 degrees, so that means most of the day is just going to be in the 40s. Now here's a look at that weekly planner. Tuesday will be chilly and also cloudy, and then Wednesday we should see a little bit of sunshine in the afternoon, but the high only just creeping back to normal. Thursday's when we could get that tropical moisture, so that'll pump in some warmth, but it's going to bring us a lot of rain. And then looking ahead to Halloween weekend, at this point just looks chilly but dry.